Hello, my name is Victoria and today we are going to learn how to create a shortcode in WordPress. Let's go! A WordPress shortcode is a small piece of PHP code that allows you to quickly add elements to your website's page and post. In other words, shortcodes save you time when customizing your website, so you wouldn't need additional plugins for that. WordPress provides 6 default shortcodes. Audio, which is used to play audio files. Playlist, which lets you display a collection of audio and video files. Gallery, which is for showing image galleries. Video, which will embed and play video files. Embed, which encloses embedded items. And Caption, which wraps captions around your content. But with some coding knowledge, you can also create your own custom WordPress shortcode. For example, if you use a call to action button, such as subscribe on every post, having a dedicated shortcode ready will help you publish your articles faster and more efficiently. We will create a custom shortcode to add social media links as our example. But before we start, I recommend backing up your WordPress site. Let's create a new theme file. First, let's access your site's files using an FTP client. You can also do this using hPanel's handy file manager. Once connected, navigate to W Content and then click Themes. Open your current theme directory. Inside the theme directory, create a new file and name it custom-shortcodes.php. Then open the custom-shortcodes.php file. Right-click and choose View Edit, and this will open the file with a text editor. Once it's open, add the following block of code. Save the file and then confirm the changes, but make sure that the checkbox of the Finish Editing and Delete Local File option is checked, and click Yes. Next, open the functions.php file in the same theme directory and add the following code at the bottom of the document and save. Now, let's create a shortcode function. Open the custom-shortcode.php file again and then click View Edit. Use the following code snippet to add the shortcodes function. Then, add a callback function under the previous function. Your custom-shortcodes.php file should look like this. If it does, save the changes. Now let's test the custom shortcode. Open your WordPress dashboard and click Add New Post. Then insert the custom shortcode. Once you are done, click Preview, and then the result on the front end should look like this. Alright, now let's add additional shortcode functionality. To do so, let's first open the custom-shortcodes.php file and add this code. The custom shortcodes file should look like this, and if it does, save the file. And now we need to test the parameters. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and then add these shortcodes on a WordPress post. Once you add it, then click Preview the post, and if everything was alright, it should look like this. In this example, I showed you how to create a self-closing shortcode. Self-closing shortcodes are standalone shortcodes, so they don't need a closing tag. For example, audio, gallery, playlist, and video are self-closing shortcodes. Enclosing shortcodes have a start and end tag, allowing you to wrap around content. Embed and Caption are examples of enclosing shortcodes. Now let's learn how to create a custom enclosing shortcode in WordPress. Open your custom-shortcode.php file and add the following new lines of code. So, your final file should look like this. Now let's add it to the website. Let's use Facebook as the anchor text for the enclosing shortcodes. Let's click on Preview and hear how all of this should look like. Awesome! So now you know how to create your own custom WordPress shortcode. Leave a comment below if you have any problems with your shortcode and I will get back to you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and subscribe to our channel for more content. See you in the next video.